Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating how to crochet this lovely stitch. Doesn't this look nice? I just found out this and I said I have to make a tutorial and I have to make a rug for my son's new house. So this is how it looks like. I just started. Grab your yarn, what kind of yarn you want to start with. Look at the instructions on the label and let's get started. Before let's get started, I noticed the bigger it becomes, in the description, I will let you know, do double crochet in each and then do one single crochet, 2 single crochet in each chain. But I noticed that it's getting curly on the edges, so don't do one single crochet, the next chain do a 2, let me just show you, 2 single crochet. So what I did is I did 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet to the next chain, and then on the third I did 2 single crochets. And just use your imagination, and you can skip do 3 single crochets in each chain, and on the fourth do 2 single crochets. So the bigger it becomes, the more it's going to be challenging. So just use your judgment and let's get started. Hi, this is Frida. I have this 8 skeins of yarn that I have that was given to me, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rug out of this just to get rid of this yarn. It's 100% wool. Oops. And I just weighed it on my scan here. So over 2 pounds, over a kilogram of yarn. And just grab your crochet hook, follow the instructions on what kind of crochet hook you need, and let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is make a magic loop just like this, and then make a single crochet. And in this loop we're going to make a total of 6 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, and then I'm just going to tighten this before I make the last. And where I did the first one, can you see? Let me get this closer. This is very, very important. Okay. Okay, let's see. See, can you see the V here? This is the V, right? We usually go here or here to double crochet, right? But we're going to go to the back here. Can you see this? We're going to go and do a single crochet right there. Right here. So grab that. I'm going to try to weave it while I crochet. And then we're going to make 2 single crochets. Just regular making a rug. How you do the rug. How you do a hat. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to crochet a hat too. I've been trying to, but kept on postponing, but this time I am going to. So here, see? This way when we go to the back, it gives you that knit stitch look. So here, the next stitch that we're going to do 2 single crochets is this right there. Okay, so 1, right there. I'm weaving at the same time. Okay, no chain, nothing, just single crochet. And I believe this is called camel, what was it called? Camel crochet stitch. So again, not on the front, always on the back. This is what we're going to work on the back. Where that, can you see it? It's right there. You can, when you look at it, you can see it. That's the trick how to crochet the stitch. Yeah, I think my crochet hook is a bit big than what I participated. I need to use a big crochet hook. Okay, and then when you turn your work, you can see the V's here? It's right there. Right there. Just pull it and then go between. Just like this. It's hiding there. Because we usually don't crochet that. We usually crochet in the front. So 1, 2. So go to the next one. It's right here. It's right there. I'm going to grab my smaller crochet hook. Try to make it crochet as loose as I can. I'm used to this 3.75. Yeah, it's way easy. And then here is the next one, just right there. And just go on the back. It's right here. 1, 2. There you go. So this is how it looks like. One, 2. We're increasing because our circle. 1, 2. Okay. This was the beginning. So what I'm going to do is not do 2. I'm going to do 1 and then do a 2. So do 1 single crochet, and on to the next one, do 2 single crochets. Just like this. Go to the next one, do 1 single crochet, and go to the next one, do 2 single crochets. Yeah, you just need to play around with it. Oh, I think this is going to turn out pretty good. What do you think, huh? I love the colors. Yeah, I had this yarn sitting in my containers for I don't know how many years, maybe 5, 6 years, who knows. And I found this lovely yarn. I'm planning on making a hat out of this yarn. It's wool too, mohair wool. Maybe even felt it and give that nice look. Okay, so I did 1. Did 1 here, and we're going to do 2 on here. I don't don't follow patterns and I don't follow rules. Just I use my judgment on how it feels like. So one here, and on the next one, I just go on the back, and then grab it, and then we do 2 single crochet. And then on the next, it's right here. When you turn your work, just see it. Okay, so I would say continue crocheting like this as long as you want. And 1 double, 1 crochet, 2 single crochet. And if you can't figure out where you are, put a stitch marker. I know where I am, but just in case, I'm just gonna put this stitch, I don't know where this elastic came from. I have this stitch marker. It's like a pin. I like this really much. And it's small, it won't bother me. So I'm just gonna, you can hear my dogs breathing. Okay, so this is where I started. When I come back there, I just do single crochets all the way around. So I did 2 here. I'm going to do 1 on the next one. And I'm going to do 2 on the next one. Just like this. So I'm back where we started. So I'm going to do, we did 2, I'm going to do 1. Like the yarn split here. Let me just here we are. So this is the beginning. Maybe I should move it there. So I'm going to just go single crochet all the way around, and when I come back I'm going to do 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and then I'll come back a couple of rows to show you how it looks like. And so far it looks like this. Okay, I have crocheted it this far. I'm almost finishing my ball of yarn. This was the half that I started with, and this is how it looks like. It's really fun and enjoy to crochet this stitch. And I just wanted to share it with you. So I'm just going to repeat what I did. So the first row, you do single crochet, you do the magic loop, you do the single crochet, and then you do you join it with a single crochet, and you do with the single crochet you do a total of 6 single crochets, and then you go around doing double single crochets in each chain, and then the next one you do 1 single crochet. Was it 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet? I can't remember what I did. Let's check this out. Yeah, and then the next row was 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in each, and then so that's what I did. I did 1 single crochet one row, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet on the next following row. So I'm at the 1 single crochet. I'm just doing the single crochets, and on the back, don't forget to create the stitch, you use the back loop, and I think it's turning perfectly nice. And I just love how the knit stitch looks like, because when you want to knit with knitting needles, it's really hard to do this in a round, but with this way it goes fast and it's really fun, and I just love it how it turns out. So I'm going to crochet as long as I want to create this rug. I found this rug at this on one of the groups. I think it was Knit and Chat, I believe. Sometimes I can't remember what I see. And they were sharing this picture, and I just fell in love with it just this last week. And I said, I need to find out what this stitch is, because I have to knit something for my son's new home. He bought a house, and he's trying to make it a man cave. I'm just trying to take this camera out and show you what I saw. So if you look at it, this is what I saw in the picture. I just fell in love with it, and the stitch is called the camel stitch. Crochet, and then the edges, well, when you do the edge like this, I do have a tutorial on how to crochet the edge. I will put the link below, and if you want to do that, you can do that. But for men, for boys, this stitch will look perfect on it. It doesn't show girly, and I just fell in love with it, and I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope you like this tutorial, and share it with your family and friends. And like I said, it's very easy and it's really fun. And this was a very short tutorial how to crochet this lovely stitch. So I'm just going to load this right away and share it with you. And I hope you like it. I don't know, I only saw at one Etsy shop who is selling their rugs from this stitch. Let me see if I can find it, because I think it's a new stitch, because it's not that famous. Okay, here it is. So if you want to go and buy that rug, you can do that. It's already, see, it looks nice. I just love the stitch. For boys, this stitch is just perfect. Here's a closer look. This is how it looks like. You can make anything with this. You can make rugs, round baby blankets like the boy was laying down. And here it looks like. And it's lovely. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching. My doggy just threw herself. She's so funny. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. I hope you liked this tutorial. Share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!